What's up, guys? This is AyeBub's Car Life, and the car life is whatever you make of it. Today, I went to one event already. I just came down there to the, I think it's the MCM, the racetrack here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And they having another little event here. I came down here to show y'all some of that. So I had to stop down here, and right now they racing little go-karts over there. If anybody's interested, they got that, and you can come over and race. And I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna show y'all what they be doing. But they got a bunch of cars and stuff down here. So I'm about to go down here and see what this event is, and give y'all some of this good footage. Here goes one. So I'm about to walk down here and show y'all some of the cars and stuff they got down here. Oh, and it's the NCM Motorsports Park. So yeah. Got a GTO here. Pontiac GTO. This thing's pretty sweet. It's a manual. Got a little carbon fiber hood on there. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. I like it. Pipes. Slick. They had a nice ride right there. I like that. Nice ride, nice ride. Things is pretty quick, pretty quick. I don't know if y'all can see that good. There's a C8 in there. I don't know what's all in them garages, but I wish the doors was open so I can show y'all inside of there. We're gonna continue to walk down this way some more and see what's going on. So the guy said if I can just peek through the things and show y'all the C8s in here. So I'm gonna show y'all these. Here go one, but that ain't the new one. That's a Corvette. That one's new in here. Let me see if I can get in here closer. Show y'all some of the rides that's in there that they got. There's some more little Corvettes in there. Let's see if I can get that blare out for y'all. Ooh, I like this one. Let me see if I can get in there. Oh yeah, look at that. I guess they showed this one. Look at there. I guess this one stays at the park that they got for the races and stuff. They got another one right over here. Let me see if I can get in there for y'all. Some more C8s in there. I'm trying to get it where it get to there because I'm looking through the glasses in there. Got another one down here. I guess they got a bunch of them. Yeah, they got a bunch of them with the sticker on it. Yes, sir. It's number 7. There's a number 1 that's in there. Let's see if we can get that one. Oh, yeah. And we got a number 6 that's over here. Let's see if we can get in there. Oh, yeah. Got a number 5. That's my favorite number. Oh, I wish it was a different color, though. We got 5 right here. Yeah. And we got a, I think this is 2019 version. Yes, sir. We're gonna slide down here and see what else is down through here. Oh yeah. This is like they host different events over here, and the actual track is inside that way over there. They got some more in here, so I'm gonna show y'all these. I don't know if any of these in there, but the guy said I can look through the glass. It's a Camaro, so I'm gonna show y'all that one. Yeah, here go a Camaro in there. Let me see. I ain't for sure what it is. I think that one's Camaro too. These are all Camaros, I think. Yeah. There's a Camaro on there. Michelin. Let's see. Ain't nothing down through here. I think they got something going on over here. They doing some kind of racing over here. And I think they actually getting out on the track over here on this side. So I'm gonna see if I can't get over in the stands or somewhere and see what's going on. I'm gonna go down here, try to find somebody to talk to, and see what actual event this is, because I'm not sure. You know what the actual event this is called?
Sorry?
You know what the event this is called?
King of the Heap, right? KOTH.
Okay, King of the Heap. Okay. Because I was just out here filming. I was just wondering what it was called. I remember they just telling me. I was like, I'll come out here and film some of it. Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
So it's called King of the Heap. If I'm saying it right. If I'm saying it wrong, y'all let me know. But it's King of the Heap. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit over here, what they got going on over here, and then I'm gonna go over there and see what they got. He ran off. He didn't go the right way. There we go. Good run right there. It went pretty quick. Let me see. Look at that green thing. What's up? I like it color. You got them little needles. You hit the light in the front. What you got in there, man? I seen you was running pretty quick over there.
Still a Miata. It's still a 4-cylinder.
Okay. I see you had some stuff over there. You're pretty quick. You do this a lot?
Yeah, we all do.
Okay.
Car guys, so.
Yeah. All right. Appreciate it, man. Go up here and look at these C8s they got up here. If you want to buy you one, this one's fresh. Look at the tag on here. Let me see if we can find it. Somewhere. Here it is over here. 86. Yeah, 86,000. They get you. I don't know what color it is right now. It look like it's red or orange.
Red.
Yeah, red. Here's the orange one right here. How much this one is? Oh, this is a Stingray. They want 78 for that one. 79, my bad. 79 for this one. That one was 80. This is that new color that they just came out with, that little burgundy red. This one's 86. Yep. And this one was 79. This is that racing red right here. What is that, 88? That one's got the red guts in it. I like his color. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's got the burgundy in the inside. That one's nice too. Oh yeah. Hey y'all.
Where's the big boys at?
Mm-hmm.
I'm there. Uh-oh.
Here go the ones with the, these ones got the stripes. I'll show it to y'all in a minute. This black one. That one. This one right here, this is one of the big ones. This one probably got a little more. This one's 92,000. Yeah. Let me know what. This one's got the racing stripes on it. This is a Stingray right here. Yeah. Look at these blue ones. Yes, sir. Actually work here. Somebody put them there. This was custom done. Had to be. That was custom done. Yeah.
The Heap. You guys race junk cars in spring. $1,000 cars. A lot of fun.
So what are y'all doing? Just trying to get the fastest time?
Yeah. It's just against
You taking all the weight out of it so you can get you some.
Got every bit of weight you can.
Cut it all out of there. Okay.
Can't have it. Gotta have less than $1,000 car.
Okay.
Less than $1,000.
Less than $1,000 car.
A
Okay.
lot of them got $500 in it.
That-
You don't want an expensive one because you're gonna tear it. You're
Yeah.
wide open.
Yeah. Okay. I got it now. Take you a less than $1,000 car.
I got one. A 2013 Chrysler Sebring. I paid $700 for it.
This is what you win.
Yeah.
Oh, you win one of these? Really?
I was gonna say.
Oh, I'm about to say, really?
I was gonna say that was a good one. I was gonna say that's a good one. If you win one of these for spending less than $1,000, hey, I'm breaking my car out here. That's my other car worth less than $1,000. He letting it roll. Make you some new air holes in there. You put that in there to save some of the air.
We had it in wind tunnel.
Okay.
We spent about 2 hours in wind tunnel.
Yeah.
We figured out that's the best setup for the intake.
Okay. He got everything out of here, so he taking
We got
everything.
it stripped out. We do some more stripping on it.
Get all what you
All you
can.
need is a seat.
One seat, that's it. We're gonna see him take off of this track. He leaning.
Performed successfully.
They are not playing. Right here.
Look at the ball.
He got something there. He's better get in there.
What is the problem?
I'm just gonna give him a hard time. The problem is he's still gonna floor it out of here.
I don't care. Hammer the dog out of it.
Oh, we passed him.
You go hard out, you'll have to start. Yeah, I'll be damn. He knew he was gonna bounce so
He did. Yeah. You was getting around out through her. I was like, man, he's really getting out through her.
It's awesome.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun. They're doing a track day out here, open track day, 2 Fridays.
2 Fridays?
Yeah, 2 weeks from yesterday.
Okay.
There's a champ car race here that weekend, in 2 weekends.
Okay.
And so there'll be an open track day before that. So you want to bring the Charger out? That's time to do
it's
it.
right there.
Bring
Park
it.
there.
Next weekend.
Bring it. Next weekend.
Next.
Next weekend's the track day. 2 weeks is the open day on Friday.
Okay.
There's a track weekend.
I bet the website explains it way better than we're doing.
Yeah,
What's the
probably.
website
Probably
called?
substantially more
Their
reliable.
website?
The NCM website, or go to it's called motorsportreg.com.
Okay. I'll get on there. Appreciate that,
Yeah,
man.
man. Y'all take it easy.
You too, man. Hey, man, what you got up in there, man? I heard you going around through there pretty quick. It's just a what? Okay. You be moving around there.
Is it a V8?
It's a V8 in here, though, ain't it? Okay, I was like, that thing's pushing it.
Oh, is that for that? Yeah. For the just in case of fire? Yeah. That's next week.
All right, bro. That motherfucker. Hey, that thing is nice. That's got some power in there. He got his pipe.
It's breathing through the hood.
Yeah. Hey, I like that, man. Hey, your horn work? See what he got up in here when he come down through here. Hey, what you got in there? What, like, how big is your engine? 3.5. Looks pretty good, man. What size motor you got up in there, man? I can hear that thing screeching up through her.
Put the old 4.6 in it, man. Good old North
I
Star.
see you turning the big body around that corner. Heck yeah.
Throwing it around there.
You gonna ride with him, man?
No, they don't let you ride on the track. I'm just gonna sit in here for a minute though.
Alright. Hey, I ain't never been to one of these before, but it was pretty nice today. Like, I met a lot of different people and they was telling me about it. First time being here. I'll definitely come back, and if you ain't never came to none of these, you should come for real. Hey, and stay driving out there. Be safe. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for some more, because I'm gonna keep these videos coming. You can guarantee that, y'all.